Baby, I just need a thug. Won't you be my plug?
What's up, guys? It's your girl Azaria, and today I'm gonna be doing a straightening my hair video. Even though my hair is already straight, it's not like pitch straight. Like, I can get my roots and all of that. And yeah, so let's get started. I use these straighteners. They're something. I think it's Sign something. They're really good because the name's scratched off because I've been using them a lot. But these are straighteners I use, and I put it on exactly 450 so they can heat up and stuff. And yeah, my hair is really thick, and like I said, it is straight, but like it's not bright straight. And I just think I do my hair in sections, like my part down the middle, like that's this side, and then this is this side. I just comb it out and all of that, like that, and then this side up, and then I'll do one side at a time, like this side. And if I'm looking up, it's because it's a mirror right here. Yeah. So like I just start, and I really don't even be parting my hair, y'all. I just get my hand and I do this. And then I put this up. And then get that out the way. And then I use my comb to comb it out. Like, this is how much I use. Like, and I'll just pin my comb up here. Yeah, and I usually don't go to the roots, so I'm gonna go all the way to the roots. My hair can be pitch straight because it's the last day I'm wearing my real hair. Like, tomorrow is the last day I'm wearing my hair. And I'm just gonna go straight down. And I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get done with this side of my hair. So I'm done with this side. It looks a lot better than it was in the beginning because I actually got through the roots and cut like that, and it looks more like slimmer and straight. And yeah. Now we're gonna start with this side. Y'all, my hand hurt. Like, for real, this is another reason. Like, my hand be starting to hurt. Dang. I'll be slacking and stuff. So I'll be feeling like doing it. Like, baby, I just need a thug. Won't you be my plug? Ay, you could be the one. Ay, you start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Give it to me when you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming as a breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. Baby, I just need a thug. Won't you be my plug? Ay, you could be the one. Ay, you start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Okay, so this is the final look. It's not perfect, but you know, it'll be okay. So y'all can see the back. Yeah. That's about it. Thank y'all for watching this video and sitting here and watching me straighten my hair for like 6 minutes. I don't know. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment under, and give me some more suggestions on what next video I should do. And yeah.
thing. Fine as hell, thick as fuck. Oh my